Hi guys, in this video I will compare top 4 watermark remover tools and figure out the most efficient and useful. So if you are searching for the method to remove watermarks or texts from video, here's the best solution for you. First, download and launch HitPaw VicP. The free download link is put on the description. Download and launch it. We go to the toolbox and find the watermark removal and import the same video with watermark. And then you can see there is a frame. We adjust the frame to cover the watermark area and click the preview button to have a preview for 60 frames. Just wait a second for the RE analysis. And you can see the AI technology not only covers the watermark with blur effects, but also fills in the watermark part frame by analyzing the video, making the watermark part more natural. If you don't want to download something, you can use online tool. Go to the hitpawonline.com and you can find the official link in the description. Go to HitPaw Online website and choose all tools on the top bar. Then you can select the video watermark remover tool. Click upload a video. And also you can see the frame here. We cover the watermark with watermark. Click the preview button to have a check. We can preview 5 video screenshots here. Also we can see that the AI technology removed the watermark by repairing every frame of the video, and we click export to check the final result. How do you think? Leave your opinion on the comments area. And that's all for today's video. If it's useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.